Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to apply for Target debit card. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar and type in target.com/circle card. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official circle card interface of Target. In this interface, what you have to do is scroll down. Now you'll be able to find three options over here: credit card, debit card, reloadable card. So if you want to apply for the debit card, simply click on this option, apply for debit. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the step 1 for applying for the debit card over here. What you have to do is provide your information. You'll have to provide your contact info and home address over here. In the contact info section, you'll have to enter your legal first name, legal last name, email address and phone number. If you haven't added the phone number, first of all select the phone type. Click on the filter phone type. Now select the phone type over here. Now click on the filter phone number and enter the phone number. Likewise, you'll also have to enter the home address. Simply click on the field of street address and enter the street address over here. Also enter the city, state and zip code. If you want your card to be sent to different address, simply check on this box that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to see this question: have you lived at your residential address for 12 months or more? Simply click on the option of your choice. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now the step 2 is to verify your identity. Now what you have to do is simply verify your identity. Simply provide your date of birth. Click on the field of date of birth. Now enter the date of birth over here. Enter the month. Enter the day. Now enter the year. Likewise, enter your driver's license, military or state ID. Click on this field and provide the ID over here. Once you do that, you'll also have to select the ID issuing state. Simply click on this field. Now select the state over here. Likewise, enter your social security number. Make sure to provide a valid social security number. Also, you'll have to confirm the SSN. So simply enter the SSN again. Now, after you provide all these informations, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now, if all these informations are correct, you'll be led to the step 3. Now, in the step 3, you'll have to link and verify your personal checking account. Simply follow through the prompt and link your personal account. Now, after that, you'll be led to the step 4. In the step 4, what you have to do is review the terms and conditions and create a PIN. Simply agree to the terms and conditions and create a PIN for yourself. And finally, you'll be led to the step 5. The step 5 is to simply review your information. So simply review all the informations properly and submit the application. Once your application has been submitted, Target will review your application. If your application has been approved, you'll be notified via email. So like this, you'll be able to apply for debit card. So that is how you apply for Target debit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.